So if you're looking to start an LLC in the state of California, this video is for you. We'll be going through everything you need to know about setting up a California LLC, as well as how to set up one in under 10 minutes. So on the left is an overview of the 5 main steps when it comes to forming an LLC in California. We'll be going through each one of these in detail so you know exactly what to do. Step 1 is to name your LLC. There are some rules when it comes to naming your LLC in the state of California. You must have limited liability company, LLC, or LC at the end of your name. Whatever name you choose also cannot cause any confusion with a government agency. This makes a lot of sense. And the name must be distinctive and original. If you want to do a free name search, you can use the link down below and you'll be able to see whether or not the name is available. Step number 2 is to find a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business that's going to help you receive and send significant legal documents to and from the government on your behalf. So in case you get sued or the state needs to contact you, they're going to contact you through your registered agent. So who can be one? They must be an individual living in California, or they must be an entity who's allowed to conduct business in California. They also must have a physical address in California, and they must be on site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. Okay, so step 3 is to actually file your LLC articles of organization. This is going to include the LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, purpose of LLC formation, management structures, so who are the actual managers of this company, and also a bunch of other really important information. Now, when it comes to the process of doing this, there are a couple of forms that you will need to know and to fill out. This form LLC 1, this is the article of organization form, and it's for businesses that are seeking to form an LLC in California. The filing fee for this form is $70 at the time of this video, and that is a mandatory fee. Most of you watching this video will probably be filling out this form. Now, if you have a foreign LLC and you pretty much want to do business inside of California, then that's a different form. That's going to be form LLC 5, and that fee is more expensive at $70 plus a special handling fee. Now, to actually file LLC articles of organization in California, there are a few different ways that you can do this. The first is you file online through the California Secretary of State's website. So if you want to learn more, the link is going to be right there as well down below in the description. You can also file it by mail, so you can find a copy of the form and more info on how you can fill it out at the same website. One unique requirement for California LLCs is that you must publish a Statement of Information, Form LLC 12, within 90 days of forming your LLC, and then file it again every 2 years. This form costs $20 to file. Step number 4 is to get an LLC EIN. This is also known as your Federal Tax Identification Number. Think of it as a social security number for your business. And this is going to allow the IRS to identify and keep track of your business's tax status. You will need this number to open up a business bank account, file and manage your federal and state taxes, as well as hire employees. This is very easy. You'll simply fill out a form online, and we will link that down below as well. Step 5 is to create an LLC operating agreement. This is not required in California, but it's still good to have one. If you have multiple owners for your LLC, this is going to help you structure the financial relationships of each owner. And it's going to tell everyone what to expect from the company. It's also going to include information about ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, joining and leaving rules, as well as rules for dissolution. And then after you form your LLC, there are a few things that you will need to know, and we'll cover those really quickly right now. The first is that you're going to definitely want to keep your business and personal assets separate. If you don't do this, then you're going to pierce the corporate veil, and when that happens, if people actually sue your company, they can come after your personal assets. So to remedy this, you'll definitely want to get a business checking account, get a business credit card, and also hire an accountant. You also may need to get business insurance. I'm not going to really go too much into this as it really depends on your business type, but just keep this in mind. You'll also probably want a business website. So be prepared to work on this, or you can hire somebody to make this for you. We'll leave some resources down below if you do want to build your own website yourself. California also has an annual franchise tax of $800 that you'll need to pay each year regardless of whether your business makes a profit or not. This is something unique to California that you should definitely be aware of. So if you click on the link down below, it's going to take you to Northwest Registered Agents page. And let me show you guys exactly how to do this in under 5 minutes. So if you click the link down below, you'll be taken to our exclusive discount link for Northwest. Once you're on the website, you simply choose a name for your business, which Northwest will let you know right there on the page if it's available, and then you simply fill out a few quick details about your business, and they'll take care of the rest. This is the platform that I mainly use. I've been recommending it to a lot of people, and I've heard nothing but good feedback. Again, the link to Northwest Registered Agent is down below. Clicking that link is going to take you to the exact page that you need to get to. Anyway, that's basically how you set up an LLC in the state of California. All the resources that we mentioned in this video are going to be down below in the description. And yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to share with a friend and also like and subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated to giving you free guides and tutorials to help you start up your business. Anyway, thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.